Sinimulan ko tong walang naniniwala sa paligid ko. Ano? Susulatan ko lahat ng mga blanco bahay na, at masisipagan ko pa ay mabusan pa ako. Susulat.
Ayun guys, papawis tayo yan. Para ma-exercise naman tayo yun. Tara, jogging tayo, jogging! Ito siyang basketballan dito kayo. Kita mo yung taan niya. Diyan lang tayo magja-jogging.
Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done.
Pain is temporary. It may last for a minute, or an hour, or a day, or even a year. But eventually, it will subside, and something else will take its place. If I quit, however, it will last forever.
The margin for error is so small. I mean, 1/2 a step too late or too early, and you don't quite make it. 1/2 second too slow, too fast, you don't quite catch it. The inches we need are everywhere around us. They're in every break of the game, every minute, every second.
You got a dream, you got to protect it. People can't do something themselves, they want to tell you you can't do it. You want something, go get it. Period.
Don't be afraid to fail. You can't always win, but don't be afraid of making decisions.
You have to believe that something different can happen. He who says he can and he who says he can't are both usually right.
That most of you say you want to be successful, but you don't want it bad. You just kind of want it. You don't want it badder than you want to party. You don't want it as much as you want to be cool. Most of you don't want success as much as you want to sleep.
Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us.
You have to dig deep down, and ask yourselves, who do you want to be? Figuring out for yourselves what makes you happy, no matter how crazy it may sound to the people.
Make a choice, right? You just decide what it's going to be, who you're going to be, how you're going to do it. Just decide.
Why not? Why can't I be the MVP of the league? Why can't I be the best player in the league? I don't see why. Why? Why can't I do that?
Ayan guys, sarap mag-jogging guys. Swabe ang pawis guys. Ligo ng pawis si Kiko. Yan, si Kiko Salam ng Oman yon. Pawis na po tayo ngayon. Ayan, sa pang-ikot. O yun guys, tapos na ang jogging natin. Tapos na tayo, uwi na tayo. 30 minutes na jogging lang. Yan, daily. Mag-daily na tayo ngayon para hingal na hingal tayo. So unang araw pa lang natin, hingal na hingal tayo. Sana bukas hindi na siguro. Sa pakiramdam, gumagaan. Para gumaan yung katawan natin, masyado na tayong mabigat. Yan, naging na tayo. Yan, ito yung mga bahay dito. Oh. Residential area yan. Ayan. Mga bahay dito. Yun. Hindi ka pwede dito sa Oman. Kasi walang marites dito. Walang tambay. O, ayan, wala kang makitang tao sa labas. Yan. Di ba? Di katulad yun sa Pilipinas. Kaya kung gusto nyo mag-abroad, ako, hindi kayo pwede dito. Una-una, walang marites dito. Walang tambay. Ayan. Ayan. Kaya kung balak nyo mag-abroad, nako, kung marites kayo, hindi kayo pwede dito. Ayan. Ayan. Ito po. Ubus yung tubig, oh. Sambo. Ganda ng bahay, oh. Let's go. May paring naglalakad, ayun. That's the na ganyan. Saan maraming pare? Dito sa Oman, maraming pare. Diba? Ayun, guys. Tapos na naman ang isang araw natin. Ang isang session bukas ulit. Tuloy-tuloy na to hanggang sa dulo. Hanggang sa maging healthy tayo, maging fit. Kailangan tayong maging healthy. Yan. At ang kakainin natin mamaya, ipapakita ko sa inyo anong kakainin natin mamaya. Yan. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Ganito na lang. Yan. Vegetable fruit. Ayun. Vegetable fruit. Bibili tayo ng vegetable. Mag-vegetable lang tayo. Para healthy lifestyle. Yan. Basta tayo sa mga mamantika at matataba. Yan. See you guys.